Today, we are going to learn about the vowel sound I. The I is created by blending A and E together to form a new sound. The I, like in the word I, is produced by rapidly moving the tongue from the back, low part of the mouth to the forward, high part of the mouth. The jaw begins in an open position, then rapidly moves to an almost closed position. Due to the mouth being open, the lips begin unrounded and apart and move into a retracted state like a slight smile. The I is tense and long in duration. Tension should be felt in the jaw, lips, and tongue, just like this.
I.
Now, let's talk about how the I sound is written in English. I something E. Pipe, bike. I, child. IE, die. Y, buy. UI, guide. Y something E, type. IGH, sigh. UY, buy, guy. EI, height. Then, let's practice the I sound in words.